Hey guys, Tony here. So I just made a video and then I realized that I didn't have my sound recording on, so I got to redo this. Essentially what I said is that when you Shiba Inu had a big sell-off, right? And I'm gonna try to go through this as quickly as I can because I'm driving. But usually when you have a big sell-off like this, it's one entity that sells off. And from my experience in trading, when you have a sell-off like this, what usually happens is you recover pretty quickly from all the buy limits that are set from the masses, and then you slowly trickle down to the initial sell-off point, which is 25 at the lowest, right? So the thing is though, I'm not sure if that's gonna happen. We already did recover a little bit to 30, and then you're already seeing at 27. So you might see it trickle down slowly to 25, but because there's such volume and such trading and such huge trading going on in Shiba Inu, I don't know if it's actually going to recover and trickle down or recover and stay there, right? This is the first time that, you know, if it was any other ticker, I'd say that, oh, you already wicked down, somebody sold out to 25. More than likely, you're going to recover to the original selling point, which was what, like 31? So you're going to recover to 31 and slowly start selling off down to 25. But because this is Shiba Inu, there's so much momentum to the upside and there's so much volume and liquidity, you might actually not see that trickle down. But like even right now, even right now though, you are seeing that trickle down effect where I actually saw it go down to 25, bounce back up to like 30, 31, and now it's slowly starting to dive down because everybody's starting to react to the sell that actually happened. So everybody's freaking out. It's like, oh, you know, we're gonna go down, blah blah blah. And you know, I'm not too worried. I don't know what's gonna happen this time. We might go down all the way back down. I have no idea. But you know, I'm just holding right now. That's really all I'm doing. Not gonna be selling anything. Just kind of chilling and seeing and kind of riding the wave and seeing what happens and to see if there's any actual recovery. But we'll see what's going on. As of right now, it hit that 25. Don't be surprised if it trickles down slowly to 25, but also because of the volume and momentum, don't be surprised if it's back at like 34 by the end of the day. I don't know, man. This one's weird. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.